Welcome back to another interesting about PC tips you need to know. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply identify your computer generation. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC is to press Windows plus R, and this run dialog box here is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you type in nsinfo32 and hit on OK. So in a few seconds, it's going to generate you with detail about the PC. Now, what you need to do right here is to go to fashion/date. So right here, this PC here was manufactured and activated in 2015. So once you know the year of the PC, what you need to do next is to simply bring out your browser and come to the search engine right here and type in computer in the year, the particular year of that PC, 2015 is what generation, and press enter. And in a few seconds, you get the comprehensive report about the generation the PC belonged to. As you can see right here, this PC here belonged to 5th generation. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply identify your PC or computer or laptop generation without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.